Welcome to Zeal. This is going to be an overview of the Zeal platform. As we log in and land on our Zeal dashboard, we can see many displays related to the overall performance of the platform, the user performance, items in your inbox, and recent documents. The inbox, which you can access here, or on the tab on the left-hand side, will include all documents pending action from you. We can click on any of these documents to access it. Here we can see that the request is review and approval, so we will approve the document with the changes that were recommended. The next tab is the Documents tab, which is a list of all the documents on the platform, excluding documents that have been archived. Each document is accessible by clicking on it. Additionally, if we want to navigate to the binder where the document is saved, we can click on that as well, and navigate to see the overall contents of that binder. Clicking on the binders, this is the overall storage system for your documents. Here we can see that we have 4 binders that we can access. We're going to click on the Zeal Plumbing Inc. and see the total list of documents within this binder. Here we can see there are 8 documents, 3 of which are completed. I can click on any of these documents, access it, go in, and make any changes. We can also click on the signers to see that the signatories are correct or in the correct signing order. If we need to make a change with the signing order, I'll hit this button, grab the number, and shift the signatory to the correct spot. Make sure to save changes. If this document is ready to go out, you can hit Generate Document. After that, you can review it, add a subject line, message, confirm that we want to send it out, and click Send. After the document has been sent, we'll go back to our dashboard. The next item we have on our navigation menu is our contact list. Here we can see a list of all the companies we have in our contact list, and we can also see the individual contacts in this contact library as well. As we click on the companies, we can navigate to a specific one and see all the documents associated with this particular company here. We can also identify any client contacts associated with the company. The next tab is Templates. This is a library of all the templates on your platform. Depending on your permissions, you will have the ability to access the templates, upload the name, document tag, and create the type and number of signers that will be required for this document. We can also update the variables, which are your keywords or clauses embedded within the document. In addition to updating the contents within the template, we can also create intake forms as well. Click Create New Intake Form. Give this a name, a default name of the document when it is created, and we can navigate the document to a particular owner. After the intake form is submitted, it will go to Matthew. In addition, we can select the particular binder that this document will be sent to, and we can customize the data points that we want the intake applicant to fill out. So here we'll have the applicant fill out all fields available. After I create this intake form, I can go back and edit, remove it, or I can also generate a public link for this document. The intake form, once filled out by the applicant, will automatically create the document within your Zeal platform. As we go back to the Zeal dashboard, we can also navigate to our existing keyword library. This keyword library is a repository of the keywords that exist throughout the system and within your documents. You can also create a new keyword here. We will give it Start Date as a name, and we will also select the category of keyword. In this case, we will select the Date category and embed it here. Additionally, if you have any integrations with other software, we can map keywords to specific data points within the other available tools. I'm going to add the keyword, and we can see at the top of the list that the keyword has been created and is now ready to be embedded within a document. As we navigate back to our templates, we can add this keyword in. Make sure to save, and now your templates are updated. Additionally, on the left-hand side, we have access to the clause library, which is a list of the clauses that you have pre-edited and can insert within the document. Here we have a notice of immunity. As you scroll down, you can see the contents of that clause, and we notice that there are no edits needed, so we can close that. We can also create clauses here. We'll call this one Non-Disclosure, and we can add the content for that clause into the field below. Make sure to hit Add Clause to see it applied to your clause library. Also in the Records section, we have the Archives, which contain a list of all the binders that you've archived, the documents, keywords, clauses, or templates. As we go through, we can see we have only archived one document, which is the Acme Work MSA. We can also click into this document to see the details of it and recover it if necessary. The Reporting section allows you to run reports on any document within your system. If you wish to include the archived documents, make sure to click this checkmark. The Reporting tab also allows for advanced record searches, so if we click on the Filters tab, use the filters below to select the specific documents that you'd like to search for, and you can even narrow it down further. So as we select the GMP type of document and the owner's qualifications, we can also select a single company entity, Zeal Plumbing Inc., and we have limited our search down to just 3 documents. You can export this file to a CSV if you need to create quick reports or easily import the data into other tools as well. Additionally, the Customize tab here allows you to customize the display of the table in your reporting. So as we narrow down our columns, you can quickly and easily see pertinent information for that report. Finally, we have an Analytics tab which provides an overview of all the content within the workspace, so we can see how many documents are in the open status, signing status, reviewed, signed, and completed, or archived. And as we go down, we can also see the performance of the workspace related to those particular documents. There is a support feature available should you need any assistance with the performance of your workspace. We can always navigate back to the dashboard and access any additional workspace available. Should you wish to invite users to the platform, simply click on Workspace Members on the top right, and we can add new members to this section here. If the new users require a special role, we can go to Workspace Permissions, see the available roles, or we can create a new role and customize the permissions, which will dictate the access and views available to that particular user. We hope you enjoyed this demo of the Zeal product dashboard. Feel free to reach out anytime with additional questions or to request live walkthrough with one of our team members.